The material to make it is just a piece of wood, I'm using oak, and a couple pieces of scrap metal. And the tools you'll need for the blade is a grinder and a sander. Very cheap tools that you can get from about anywhere. And then to cut out the wooden handle, you'll need some sort of saw. I'm using a jigsaw and a drill. First of all, you want to see how big you want the handle. I made a sketch of what I want it to be. It fits my hand perfectly. Now, all we got to do is just cut this out. Once you have a mark, you want to cut it. Now you want to use some sort of vise. Tighten it up there good. And then just cut it. And just start cutting. Once we cut this, we want to see how far it has to go back into the wood. Now, once you made your line, you want to do exactly the same thing to the other side. Then, cut this next piece of scrap metal to the same size. Once you have cut the pieces of metal to the same size, you want to take a pencil and draw a line right about here. You grind using these lines. Once you're done, it should look something like this. This is very rough. Once you sand it with a sander, you can decide if you want it simple or fancy. Now you can get a look at what it is going to be like. Right now we put this in the middle to see what size of a slit we need for it to fit in easily. We want it to go this far to that line there, and we want it to be as thick as this blade. Now, there's different things you can use. I'm going to be using a jigsaw. Now, once you've made the slit, you can slip in the blade. Once we put in the blades, we can decide how finished we want the handle. You could sand it and then polish it. Maybe you want to have some engravings on the handle. Whatever your choice is, good luck. You need to drill 2 holes for each side. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is either put some nails or some screws through there. And then, on the other side, it should be sticking out a little bit. All you do is just take a grinder and grind the end off. Next week, I will show you how to make a display case for it. Thanks for watching. This is The Workshop.